Last quarter.
Wala yan. Rebound number 1. Binigay ka number 56. Back to number 1. To number 67. Laban yung logo. Right quarter ko. 3-pointer. Shoot. 3 minutes stands at 70-65. Balangiga trailing Lawan by 5 points. Abing. Shot clock 15. Humingi ng bola si Tulis. Binigay kay Abing. Tubaldo. Bumukol ng tres. Missing the mark. Number 1. Number 72. 15 seconds to shoot. Tuloy-tuloy sa loob. Pasok yan. 3 minutes 11 seconds. Gailon. Sasalaksak. Drive and draw. Pumukol. Wala. 77 to number 72. 2 minutes 50 seconds. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Number 1 against number 25 to number 77. Right, left quarter court.
Score 72-65 in favor of Lawan.
Both teams, tago sa lahat timeout. 2 minutes 45 seconds. Abing. Tubaldo. Back to Gailon. 15 seconds to shoot. Salazar. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 25. Shot clock 5. Last touch. 2 seconds. 2. Shot clock 2. Shoot. Now sally of play. Balangiga. Score. 67-72. Number 1. Madala ng bola. 2 minutes 14 seconds. Number 25. Number 23. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. Torres. Pasok yan. 74-69. Lawan by 5. Number 1 to number 1. Lalabas yan. 1 minute. 1 minute 44 seconds.
Score 74-69.
Gailon. Left quarter court. 15 seconds to shoot. Tubaldo. Bumukol ng tres. Wala yan. May agawa ng rebound ako yung number 36. 1 minute 20 seconds. To number 1. 15 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock down to 10. Goes baseline. Side stepping move. Reverse siya. Pili ang papasok. 60 segundos. 60 segundos. Under a minute. 50 seconds. Number 1. Tumira. Pasok yan. 48 seconds. 48. Foul number 43. 43 seconds. Number 77 foul. 43 seconds. 43. Running score stands at 76-69. Lawan by 7 points. 43 seconds. 43. Alone inbounding from the sideline. To Dadulya. To Gailon. To Vera. Di pumasok. But dress up for foul out. To free throws for Gailon. First throw pasok.
5 na lang.
Second throw.
4 na lang.
Pasok pa rin. Pangatlong free throw, 2 out of 3. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Yes, sir. 15 seconds. Shot clock is out. Double one. Five seconds. 7 seconds. 7. City Ponto City. Pasok. Allows 7 seconds. Championship time 7.7 seconds. 10 out of 3. Time out. Lawan 7.7 seconds.
Score 78-73 in favor of Lawan. Last 7 seconds.
Number 1, last touch red. Number 72, quick foul. Gailon, 5 fouls. 3 team foul. Balanghiga, 5.8 championship seconds. Lawaan by 8, ball position Lawaan, number 36, inbounding, number 1 to number 36, to number 72. And congratulations!
Game champion Lawan.
That concludes our Balanghiga Town Fiesta 2025 basketball tournament. Congratulations Lawan! Congratulations Manliwat, Team Balanghiga. Nice game, nice game. Congratulations, salamat natin mga tournament organizer, headed by tournament manager Sir Tito Dadulia, tournament consultant Honorable Amir Kalisay, tournament marshal Sir Pepito Abrogar, tunagman natin mga teams na nag-participate piling amon tournament. Otro congratulations Sir Rabi, Honorable Rabi Parker Inciso, Honorable Vice Mayor of Lawan Eastern Samar.